Hey man, it's a nice day to be out fishing, man. We got, I think that's Sinclair, another guy that do fishing content around here. And we got these guys right here that I'm fishing with. Just met them, nice guys, man. That's one thing they can make everybody come together is fishing. I'm telling you. So cool, we're gonna do it like that. Of course, make it weedless, expose it. When they get a bite, it's gonna come down. That's what we got going right now. It's a new one, so you gotta, of course, open these legs up or whatever you wanna call them, so they can move around. I wish I had a well I do got a shaky head. Dial this thing in. Yeah, it's a nice dial in right there. Yeah, it's pretty nice. No backlash.